think we're going straight into meditation, aren't we? So I invite you just to take a moment. Allow your physical body to relax. Allow your breathing to simply breathe. Allow your mind to think if it wants to. Don't resist, just allow it to think. And choose one thought to focus on. Whether that be your breathing, or whether that be your mantra, or whether that be just a word that comes to you. Thinking one thought. And as you focus on that one thought, your expanding mind is open and ready to receive. You don't need to think those thoughts right now. They'll be there when you need them. Keep bringing your attention back to your one word or thought. And as you breathe in your next breathe, feel it expanding your thought, feeding your thought, helping it grow. And know that every breath you breathe into your body is better equipping your body and your mind to be open to the infinite, to expand, to embrace, to include all that is good and wonderful. And with one more big, deep, deep breath, again become conscious of your physical body. And when you're ready, open your eyes.